Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to SKZ Education, PPG Bahasa Inggris tahun 2023. And now we are in part 27. Tema kita kali ini adalah drilling soal reading. Jadi, walaupun reading terlihatnya sepele, misalkan gampang sepele, tapi kalau kita tidak membiasakan menghadapi soal-soal reading, nanti kita malah kebingungan atau kelabakan. Nah, di sini kita akan berlatih nih, berlatih menghadapi soal-soal reading. Jadi nanti ada 15 soal, teman-teman silahkan kerjakan dulu dan nanti di akhir kita bahas jawabannya. Saran saya dalam mengerjakan reading, ini hanya saran, Bapak Ibu boleh ikutin atau tidak juga silakan. Tapi saran saya untuk mengerjakan soal reading, itu yang pertama kita baca dulu soal. Jadi ketika ada satu teks, kita baca dulu soal. Setelah itu kita lakukan skimming. Skimming itu kita membaca keseluruhan teks dengan maksud kita tahu setiap paragraf itu menceritakan tentang apa. Jadi kalau kita lakukan skimming, kita tahu paragraf 1 itu misalkan introduction, paragraf kedua itu misalkan masalah, paragraf ketiga misalkan kesimpulan. Seperti itu. Karena kalau soal reading, satu teks itu terdiri dari 2 atau 3 soal. Jadi itu suatu keuntungan. Kalau kita mengetahui isi teks itu apa saja misalkan, jadi nanti akan mempercepat ke soal kedua dan ketiga. Itu saran saya. Jadi di awal-awal kita bisa baca dulu aja dengan cepat gitu. Nah, nanti di soal kedua itu biasanya udah masuk ke scanning. Scanning itu mencari jawaban dari petunjuk atau kata kunci yang ada di dalam soal. Jadi kalau itu kita tidak harus baca semuanya. Oh, saya ingat nih. Misalkan topik ini ada di paragraf kedua, maka kita langsung lihat ke paragraf kedua. Jadi itu manfaat skimming dan scanning. Emang ada yang mengatakan bahwa tipsnya misalkan kita baca dulu yang cukup baca paragraf pertama saja. Jadi itu terserah mana teman-teman yang senangi gitu. Karena dengan membaca keseluruhan akan mempermudah menyelesaikan soal yang kedua dan ketiga. Sebelum dimulai, jangan lupa disiapkan dulu kertas untuk menjawab dan bila perlu pakai timer juga dan diusahakan 15 soal 15 menit selesai. Jadi nanti saya akan bacakan soal dan setelah itu silakan Bapak Ibu pause ya, berhentikan dulu dan pilih jawaban yang tepat. Diusahakan jangan lebih dari 1 menit. Nah, nanti setelah selesai 15 soal, kita bahas jawabannya satu persatu. Tidak lupa juga saya berharap dan berdoa, semoga Bapak Ibu sekalian dimudahkan, dilancarkan, dan diluluskan dalam pretest tahun ini. Amin. Okay, let's begin our lesson for today. 231. What is the purpose of the text above? A. To explain how to take picture. B. To show how to create something. C. To tell how something is made. D. To describe how something is achieved. E. To explain how to fix digital camera. Silakan di pause dulu dan pilih salah satu jawaban yang tepat. 232. The glare from the LCD, blah blah blah. What does the underlined word mean? A. Viewfinder. B. Sunlight. C. Battery life. D. Brightness. E. Screen. (233) What will happen to the LCD when there is more extreme light? A. The glare is broken. B. The glare doesn't work well. C. The glare works well. D. The glare is unbroken. E. The glare is blur. 234. Which statement is correct based on the text? A. Rafflesia arnoldi has a very nice smell. B. Beccarii built the botanical garden. C. Stamford Raffles is an Italian botanist. D. Beccarii discovered Rafflesia arnoldi. E. Rafflesi is taken from British shoulder. 235. Rafflesia arnoldi is unusual because of its blah 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 size. Small, tiny, big, long, round. 236. The word they in the sentence they are pollinated by carrion flies refers to A. The carrion flies, B. The parts of Rafflesia, C. The plum's buds, D. The stem, E. The flowers. 237. What is the purpose of the text? To operate an oven used to take brownies, to use a knife, to melt chocolate, to make cupcake, to accomplish how to make brownies. 238. What should you do after oiling a brownie container? Stir the eggs with the sugar and the vanilla extract. B. Add the brownie dough. C. Add a little flour to cover the tin. D. Grease a brownie tin. E. Bake for 10 to 30 minutes. 239. The word it in the sentences it must be moist refers to the brownies, the mix, the oven, the knife, wooden spoon. 240. Where did the man find the penguin? A. In a zoo. B. In a park. C. In a movie theater. D. In a police station. E. In the street. 241. Where did the man take the penguin for the first time? To a police station, to a zoo, to a movie theater, to a policeman, to a zookeeper. 242. What do you think of the text? It's wonderful. It's frightened. It's interesting. It's pitiful. It's funny. 243. The communicative purpose of the text is A. Explain how the smoking can be dangerous. B. Retell about some positive effects of smoking. C. Persuade readers with the smoking risk. D. Describe how the smoking is not allowed. E. Analyze the passive smoker. 244. Smoking in a restaurant is impolite. The synonym of underlined word is rude, polite, delicate, sensitive, courteous. 245. The statements below are true based on the text, except A. Smoking is dangerous. B. Smoking is unhealthy for the smoker. C. Smoking must not be allowed. D. Smoking can cause lung disease. E. Smoking leads to liver disease. Mari kita bahas jawabannya. 231. What is the purpose of the text above? Nah, tujuannya apa? The purpose of the text above is to explain how to take a picture using digital camera. Therefore, the correct answer is A. 232. The glare from the LCD. What does the underlined word mean? Nah, the correct answer is the word glare in this context refers to the harsh, bright, and sometimes blinding light reflected off the surface of the LCD screen. It can make it difficult to see the screen clearly, especially in a bright sunlight. Therefore, the correct answer is D, brightness. What will happen to the LCD when there is more extreme light? The correct answer is, when there is extreme light such as bright sunlight, the LCD may not work well due to the glare. So the answer is B. 234. Which statement is correct based on the text? The correct answer is D. Beccarii discovered Rafflesia arnoldi. It is mentioned that Beccarii, an Italian botanist, discovered the plant while visiting Sumatra in 1928. Rafflesia arnoldi is unusual because of its blah 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 size. The correct answer is C, big size. It is described as having the largest known flower in the world. Now, the largest it means big size. The word they in the sentence they are pollinated by carrion flies refers to E, the flowers of Rafflesia arnoldi. The sentence is stating that the flowers of Rafflesia arnoldi are pollinated by carrion flies. What is the purpose of the text? The purpose of the text is to explain how to make brownies. It provides a list of ingredients and a series of steps to follow in order to make brownies. 238. What should you do after oiling a brownie container? The correct answer is C. Add a little flour to cover the tin. This step helps to prevent the brownie mixture from sticking to the tin and makes it easier to remove the brownies after baking. The word it in the sentence, it must be moist, refers to the brownies, A. The sentence is stating that the brownies, when checked with a knife, should have a moist texture. Where did the man find the penguin? It is B, in a park. The penguin the man found it in the park. Where did the man take the penguin for the first time? To a zoo. B. What do you think of the text? The text can be considered E. It's funny. It presents a humorous situation where a man finds a penguin in a park and takes it to the zoo, but then decides to take it to the movies because the penguin enjoyed the zoo visit. The unexpected and comical nature of the man's action adds a humorous element. 243. The communicative purpose of the text is to... The correct answer is C. Persuade readers with the smoking risk. The text presents various arguments against smoking in restaurants, highlighting the negative impacts on both active and passive smokers. It aims to convince readers that smoking should not be allowed in any restaurants by emphasizing the health risks, impoliteness, and unpleasant effects of smoking on people's dining experiences. 244. Smoking in a restaurant is impolite. The synonym of underlined word is, the synonym of impolite is A. Rude. 245. The statement below are true based on the text, except the correct answer is E. Smoking leads to liver disease is not true based on the text. The text mentioned that smoking is dangerous, unhealthy for the smoker, and can cause lung disease. However, it does not mention anything about smoking leading to liver disease. Nah, kalau 245 ini kita bisa menjawabnya dengan cara skimming kan. Nah, kalau yang 244 ini contoh menggunakan scanning ya. Jadi kita jangan lupa kalau ada yang di garis bawah seperti ini, tipsnya itu kita analisa dulu konteksnya apa. Kita cari dulu, ini kan smoking in a restaurant is impolite. Ya. Kalau ini sudah jelas, tapi ada beberapa kata yang apabila kita tidak tahu jawabannya, kita lihat kondisinya, konteksnya. Jadi kalau ada underline word seperti ini dan kita aduh bingung, tidak tahu sama sekali, kita lihat konteksnya, baru kita tebak. Ya. Terkadang ada kata-kata yang kalau digunakan dalam konteks lain itu maknanya berbeda. Itu ada kadang seperti itu. Oke, barangkali itu saja. Semoga bermanfaat. That's all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.